Hello my dear students, welcome back to my English literature class. I am Anjana Jindal and I am back here with poem number 1 of our English Mulberry book of class 4. And the poem is The Sick Young Dragon. So children, it's part 2 and in part 1 I had explained you the first 2 paragraphs of this poem. And now in this video, I am going to explain you next 2 paragraphs of this poem. Okay, so let's enjoy. So children, today we will learn what further happened in poem. But before that, we must have a small recap of the poem. Okay. So children, what we studied? Yes, let's see the first 2 paragraphs. What can I do? The young dragon cried, although I have simply tried and tried. It doesn't matter how hard I blow, I cannot get my fire to go. Open your mouth, his mother said. It's no wonder your throat's red. Your scales are cold, you must be ill. I think you must have got a chill. Yes, children. So, in these lines, we learned that dragon was sick. And what abilities he lost? Yes, he lost his ability to breathe fire. Yes. He tried very hard, but he couldn't spit fire. So he got worried and cried his problem to his mother. And what his mother said? Yes, obviously, she couldn't see her child crying. She consoled him. She told him that he had a bad throat and got a chill. She consoled him by saying that he will be fine soon. So now, what is the remedy to it? What the mother did next? So, to get the answer to these questions, let's read further. Now, the doctor came, he looked and said, "You will need a day or 2 in bed. Your temperature is down. No doubt that's the reason your fire has gone out." So, this paragraph tells us that when the mother dragon figured out that the little dragon had caught a cold, then what all steps she took? What all steps she took is, she then called a doctor. And what the doctor said, we will read now. The doctor came, he looked and said, "You will need a day or 2 in bed." So children, whenever you are ill and you visit a doctor, what he suggests you? The very first thing he suggests is to take proper bed rest. Yes. In any type of illness, the first thing is proper rest. So same way here also, when doctor came and looked at the dragon, so he said that you need proper rest. You need a rest of a day or 2. Your temperature is down. No doubt that's the reason your fire has gone out. See, he said that your temperature is down. So children, when we are having fever or we got cold, then our temperature goes high, isn't it? But here in this case, his scales were cold. So the temperature is down. His temperature, the body temperature of the dragon had gone down. So, no doubt that's the reason your fire has gone out It tells us that the doctor was very sure about the reason of that why the fire had gone out. Means why? What was the reason? The reason was that his temperature was gone down. Just drink this petrol, chew these nails, they will help you to warm up your scales. Just take it easy, watch TV, you will soon be as right as rain, you will see. Now, this paragraph tells us that what all prescriptions doctor gave to the dragon. After coming and observing the dragon's condition, what all are the prescriptions which the doctor gave? So here you will find it funny that what all prescriptions the dragon got. The doctor said, just drink this petrol, chew these nails, they'll help you to warm up your nails. Means, isn't so funny that doctor is suggesting to drink petrol and to chew the nails? And what for? As a treatment. So that just to warm up his scales. So this was the treatment. So isn't a humorous treatment? Drink petrol, chew nails. Isn't a strange type of, funny type of thing? So these effects make this poem a humorous one. The one that is funny. Right? So just take it easy, watch TV. You will soon be as right as rain, you will see. See, whenever we are ill, so doctor always tries to keep us calm. Means always doctor is saying no. Even if we are having a big type of disease, even then doctor is always trying to console us and saying no problem, don't take tension, take it easy. See, if we will take tension, no, then our body takes time to recover. When we are having our mind, when we keep our mind totally free of stress, then body heal up fast. So that's why the same way doctor is consoling the little dragon and saying that just take it easy, no problem, you will be fine soon. You will get your fire, no problem at all is there. Simply you watch TV, enjoy your life, and when you'll enjoy, you'll not take tension, then you'll see. So hurry, you'll be perfectly alright. See here the given as no, as right as rain. It means perfectly alright. So he said, you will be perfectly alright soon. So children, we have 2 more paragraphs in this poem, which I will explain you in my next video. Okay? So till then, here is your home assignment. In your home assignment, you have to read the poem again and just express it in your own words. Okay? So take care. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.